Hello girls, today we will compare between two countries in the North America, and there are Canada and USA, especially California. In this video, we will discuss in economic data, natural resource, hungry planet, and agricultural production data. Now, we know Canada and USA are big countries, so they have a high population. First, the population in the Canada was nearly 35 million, while the USA was 7.442 million. Because we have a high population, that means we will have high GDP. The GDP in the Canada was 1 trillion, and in the USA was 18 trillion. The life expectancy at birth in Canada was 82 years, and in the USA was 78 years, so we don't have a big difference between them. Both of them are high income level. The GNI in USA is larger than Canada. The percent of arable land in the Canada is less than the arable land in the USA.
Because of their presence on the same geographical perimeter, United States and Canada own almost the same natural resources. These resources are iron, nickel, natural gas, zinc, petroleum, gold, and copper. United States has two more resources that is different, which are uranium and tungsten. Also, Canada has other different resources, which are diamond, timber, wildlife, and hydropower.
The agriculture GDP in Canada is 1.6%, while in US 1.1%. Canada industry is higher than US, which is 27.7%, while US 19.4%. The Canada service is lower than US, which is 70.7%, while the US 797.5%.
We didn't find big difference between the number of family members and the food they like to eat and the money they spend on food, because both countries are considered in the most powerful economies in the world. Both countries eat almost the same kind of food, like meat, egg, pizza, vegetables, bread, chicken, and drink cola. In Canada, they like to eat homemade food like the dairy products, but in US, they like to eat the fast food more and the corn products. In average, the number of family members in Canada is 5, and 3 of them are children, and they spend $2,091 on food per person, while in US, the number of family members is 4, and 2 of them are children, and they spend 6.4% of their salary in food per person.
Indian families prefer homemade, and they staple food, meat, fish, and bread, but they favorite food, maple syrup, protein, and smoked salmon. Unlike US families prepare food from outside because they do not have time to cook, and they staple food, meat, and bread, but they prefer burger and steak.
Next, let's talk about food and agriculture organizations. First, the top 3 agricultural commodities produced in Canada are wheat, rapeseed, and maize. On the other hand, USA they like to produce maize, soya bean, and milk.
Agricultural commodities in 2013. The US, the top import was banana, meat, chicken, and maize, and the export was soya bean, wheat, and maize. Also Canada, the top 3 import was sugar roe, wine, cake, and soya bean. And the top export for Canada was wheat, rapeseed, and cake.
In USA, per capita day 3,493 in 1990, while the highest per capita calories per day 3,828 in year 2000. But in Canada, the lowest per capita calories per day was 3,122 in 1993, and the highest per capita calories per day was 3,525 in 2004.